Hi, and welcome. For businesses with large, complex product catalogs, accurately handling tariffs during checkout can feel like solving a puzzle without all the pieces. With Optimizely Commerce Connect, you have the flexibility to add tariff calculations any way that your business and legal team deems necessary. Today, I'm going to walk you through one approach we recently implemented with one of our customers to manage tariffs effectively, ensuring smooth customer experiences at checkout. Calculating tariffs isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario, especially when factors like your specific customer rules and relationships, shipping destination, product materials, and manufacturing routing can come into play. A simple flat rate? That's rarely accurate. Instead, we devised three potential solutions to address these challenges. The first option is to indicate that tariffs are to be determined later during checkout and let the ERP calculate the tariff. With this, the system pre-authorizes an amount slightly higher than the order total. Later, the ERP dynamically calculates the actual tariff and updates the final transaction in the credit card settlement process and in the customer's order history. Our second option was a real-time tariff calculation powered by an API linked to the client's ERP system. This allows the customer to see the exact tariff amount upon checkout, assuming that the ERP can calculate it itself. The third option would be to increase the item prices across the board to account for anticipated tariffs. This has worked for some of our customers, but not all, due to some of the impact on competitive pricing. Let's take a closer look on how the chosen option works. Here's an example of a customer placing an order. On the checkout page, you'll notice a message that clearly states tariffs will be calculated later, right here. Also, on the top of the screen, the customer chose to show an informational message so that the customers can understand the end customers can understand what's happening. At this stage, the system will pre-authorize the customer's credit card for a small percentage above the tariff-free total. Well, that's what's here. Once the ERP calculates the exact tariffs, typically based on factors like shipping address and product components, the final tariff is then added to the order. We also implemented a feature flag that can completely remove the entire tariff experience in checkout in the case that tariffs are no longer needed on your products. This approach offers transparency while allowing the flexibility to handle even the most complex tariff scenarios across diverse product catalogs. With Optimizely Commerce Connect, we can implement the desired approach. If you're ready to see how Optimizely CMS and Commerce Connect can transform the way you work and respond to tariffs, visit our website, brillianceweb.com, to schedule a personalized demo. And thank you very much.